Kung hindi ko yun kailangan, guys, hindi niyo ako mahagilap, hindi niyo ako makikita. You will not hear anything about me. But, hindi ako pinalaking Disney princess, o hindi man ako pinalaking nakatira sa palasyo ng England. So, I have no choice but to work my ass off. But it's fine. I love what I'm doing naman. But of course, I can't deny that there are times na I will feel tired, burned out. Lahat naman tayo. Ganon, di ba? Challenge to, challenge. Challenge lang ito. Kailangan nating malagpasan ang challenge. Wala, I still want to see the silver lining in every obstacles. Pero ayun. Welcome sa DKSA fam. Thank you, Wish! Wow, Catriona. I know, right? My country so poor. The kids there. Bagay na, di ba? Pasensya na sa burp ha. Kumain kasi ako ng maasim. Tapos sinandatan ko pa ng chocolate. So, ayun. Wave daw.